Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the E0 error on HP Envy printers, including 6000, 6000 Pro series. This error means there's a problem with the ink cartridges. For that, 1. Open the cartridge access lid using the side gaps and wait for cartridges to move to the center. 2. Check the blinking light above the cartridges to identify which side has the problem. 3. Remove both cartridges by lifting the clips. 4. Confirm correct cartridges are installed. Example, HP 67 or 67XL, not HP 65. 5. Clean the gold contacts on both the cartridges and inside the printer using a dry paper towel. 6. Reinsert cartridges firmly until they click in place. 7. Close the lid and wait a few seconds. 8. If the error stays, press the X cancel button once.